today I felt like having a cup of tea, and that got me thinking, I bet there's a lot of people out there who don't remember all the different ways of boiling water. So today we're going to talk about different ways of boiling water. So enjoy. First, I'm going to pre-measure how much water I want in my cup, and then I'm going to put the tea bag in and put it in the microwave. And I usually do it at a minute a piece so that I don't end up superheating my water in the microwave. So you want to leave some room in the teacup. You can leave as much room or as little room as you want, but you want to leave some room so that when you move around, you don't end up splashing and making a mess. It is safe to put a tea bag in the cup. The staple is not going to do anything. But if you're concerned, boil water first and then remove it to put the tea bag in on the counter. You should always stay by your microwave while it's in use to make sure that everything is safe and copacetic, because losing your kitchen because of anything in the microwave is a really terrible experience. Alright, so steam coming out of the cup is a really good indicator that it's hot. Also, check your cup before you commit to lifting it in case it's too hot. And here it is. Steam is coming over and it's a nice hot cup of coffee. Oh, hot cup of tea. And I'm gonna sit here and enjoy it. So the other way to boil water for tea is to pre-measure the water in your cup. Put it in your pot, heat it up on the stove, and then pour the water back into your teacup and add the tea bag. And that's what we're going to do now. So you can use hot water or cold water out of the tap, but because pipes are kind of funny as to what is going to come out of them, I always recommend people use cold water out of the tap and then heat up the water manually on the stove. And then, because I prefer to have my water hotter faster, I put my water on high and I stay nearby and listen for the signs of hot water. And that would include the sounds of the bubbles, and you would also see steam coming out, and also the steam will collect on the lid. You don't have to use a lid, but it does trap the extra water that's coming out. So if you don't want to waste a lot of water in the air, I would recommend that you use a lid. So as you can see, these are the signs of boiling water. You've got steam coming out as well as collecting on the lid, and you can also hear the bubbles running. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn off your stove. And without your arm getting in the steam, you're going to pull the lid off. Steam burns are extremely painful, so be careful. I prefer to pour anything from one vessel to another over the sink to prevent a mess. So that's the hot water. So steeping time and temperature varies based on the type of tea you use. But in general, you're gonna steep for probably 3 to 5 minutes, unless you have a preference of strength for your tea. And if you don't want to have boiling hot tea, you can wait a little longer and let the water cool off, or you can go and get an ice cube and put an ice cube in to cool it down faster. Hey guys, so if you are enjoying my sweet videos and want to leave me suggestions of other great ones to do, you are welcome to drop me a note in the comments, and then subscribe and like and hit the reminder bell, and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.